I used to think that pushing harder was the answer to everything. Work harder, train harder, sleep less, grind more. That was my mindset for years. As a competitive athlete and full-time professional, I believed rest was a luxury I couldn't afford. Recovery? That was for the weak. I wore my fatigue like a badge of honor. Until one day, my body said no more. It started with subtle signs. Muscle soreness that wouldn't go away. Sluggish mornings even after a full night's sleep. A brain that used to be sharp, suddenly stuck in a fog. I kept pushing, because that's what we're taught to do, right? But eventually my performance tanked. In the gym, at work, even in my relationships. And that's when I knew I needed a new approach. That's when I discovered red light therapy. Now, I had heard the term before. Honestly, I dismissed it as just another wellness trend. But after stumbling across research showing how red light could improve cellular energy, reduce inflammation, and even boost testosterone levels, I decided to give it a shot. And that's where Joovv came in. I got my first red light panel, skeptical but hopeful. I committed to 10 minutes a day, just standing in front of the panel while checking emails or listening to music. At first, I didn't notice much, but after a week, things started to shift. My muscles recovered faster. I wasn't as sore after workouts. My sleep got deeper. And that brain fog, it started to clear. I felt sharper, more grounded. Within a month, I was training harder than ever, but feeling better instead of worse. Red light therapy helped me rethink what it meant to recover. It wasn't about doing less, it was about healing deeper at the cellular level. In episode 61 of the Burn It Nutrition podcast, our host Joseph Navarro interviews Wes Pfiffner from Joovv. They explore the science behind red light therapy, how it impacts mitochondrial function, and why it's becoming a game changer for athletes, biohackers, and anyone looking to optimize performance. They also discuss the right way to use red light panels, how it helps with hormonal balance, and why light, something we take for granted, might be one of the most powerful healing tools we have. If you're curious about red light therapy or struggling with performance, fatigue, or recovery, this is the episode you need to hear. Listen to the full conversation at burnitnutrition.com/podcast61 or search Burn It Nutrition on iTunes or Spotify. And before you go, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful upgrades to your health hydration. Most people think hydration is just about drinking water, but the key is electrolyte balance. That is why I use Element electrolytes daily. With the right mix of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, your body functions at its best. It keeps me hydrated, supports my workouts, and improves recovery. Right now, Element is offering a free sample pack with any purchase. Just go to drinkelement.com/burnit to grab yours. Your body's potential is waiting. It just needs the right tools. And sometimes all it takes is a little light. Again, check out the full episode at burnitnutrition.com/podcast61.